Here's my Google Sheet with English, French, and Spanish content. It's got text content as well as links to images that I found on the web. Each of the columns has a title. Here, title, intro, flag, details, map. In my XD document, I have 3 separate artboards, one for English, French, and Spanish. And then within each of those artboards, I have grouped the content. This will actually make it easier for me when I import the JSON data later. Each of the layers matches the column title in the Google Sheet, and you'll notice that it has the curly brackets. This is the format that it needs to import the JSON data. And then in the artboards themselves, I've just used the same naming format just to indicate the placeholders for this. Back in Google Sheets, I found an add-on called Export Sheet Data. I'm going to go ahead and open the sidebar. And then in that sidebar, just make sure the selected format is JSON, and then go down to the JSON section. Make sure Export Sheet Arrays is checked. And then in the Advanced JSON section, make sure Export Contents as Array is checked. And that will export the JSON in the format that this plugin is looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and click Export. My export is complete, so I can click on the link. I can preview the data, and then I'm going to download it. Back in XD, I'm going to select each of the content sections on my artboards. I'm going to go up to plugins where I have the Data Populator plugin already installed. I've got several options here, but what I'm going to use is just populate with JSON. That'll allow me to populate with a local JSON file. I'm going to browse to my latest one, open it, and then you get a little preview here of your JSON structure, and then select populate. And then there you go. I've got 3 different artboards with 3 different sets of content in different languages.